Hello guys. So today we have a video about how to export your Skype conversation history, chat history and files since the time being you have been interacting with a particular Skype account. This has been a long gone problem that we used to think that as Skype used to provide chat history for a particular time period, or you can scroll up or up and not just see them backwards, and you can check out the Skype history as they used to store a lot of data in their servers. So lately what they have done is they have started to just remove all those data, and they have just set some limitations upon the Skype account so that you cannot scroll behind after a certain time period and see your Skype chat history and either export them or view them. So in order to just have the historical records and data to be exported in your system and have a look into it if there is an official purpose or a need for it. So this is the way. But before moving on to that, please put a hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to this particular channel for the quick tips and tricks. And let's begin. So to start with, we'll be just clicking on the particular link in order to just sign into our particular account, your relevant account. So the link is provided below in the description, and let's go to the particular page and let's sign into your Skype account. So once we are inside the account, it's a web Skype account. So once we are inside there, you can have two options that you will see. Either you can request a copy of your files in chat history. You can select this either of these files. Or you can select both. So for in my case, I have selected both, and I have just clicked this submit request. And what happens is it downloads. It prepares a download. All you can see is that your pop-up will be showing up there with the request pending. So you can do that, and I have done that recently, so I'm not doing that again. So once that is done, so you have to just X out of that request, and you can see that your request is pending instead of this download button. And so since I have already requested it, so it's showing the prepared file and the conversations, all the files that I have been using at a particular time period, and just till date. So all I did is just I hit the download here on the download button, and the download button downloaded the tar file, the export.tar file that you can see from here. And that particular tar file cannot be extracted in the regular fashion. So all you need to do is just follow the procedures that I am mentioning. So it will be much easier for you to export it. Just extract the tar files and the raw files, and then you can easily see your data. The next few steps. In order to do that, you need to just press the Windows R or run simply, or you can directly press command. So Windows R run. So I've already run that. So you can press CMD there after the run is showing up. You can press CMD and you can click OK, and it will just open your command prompt. So in my case, I've already opened it, so I'm not doing that in any case. Now the quick catch is that all you need to do is enter this particular command. Carefully have a look into that. But before moving that, all we need to do is that change the directory to the directory where your file has been saved. my case, I have saved the files on the desktop. So I have changed the directory into the desktop. Now I will paste the command tar space -xvf your file name underscore export.tar. This is the command, guys, that you need to paste. Tar hyphen lowercase xvf, that is all in uppercase, your file name underscore export.tar. Now I'll paste that command as well in the description. But all you need to do is just remove your file name with the file name that has been downloaded. So on my case, 8 underscore export.tar. So, and then once that is done, all you need to do is press enter. So you can see x messages.json has been extracted, a JSON file has been extracted within your said location. So let's see how it looks here. You see this particular file, it's a JSON file that you can see, which includes the output or the exported version of your chat history or whatever you requested in the beginning. So all you need to do is just, you cannot run this upfront, you can test it on Notepad to just have an idea how it looks. You can just click it and just you can see it on a Notepad because it's a the JSON file. It's written in the JSON format. So all you can see from here, simple a JSON file. So no need to just do anything to it as of now. Exit out. I just wanted you to just have a look into it. And next, you should go to the second link that I will be providing. It's a Skype cursor. It's also been provided in the link below. So all you need to do is just click there and go to the Skype cursor. So guys, once you start doing that, after just going to this particular URL that I have pasted below, and you can see the Skype cursor will automatically get downloaded. All you need to do is just get the Skype cursor. You can just cut that or copy that, or in my case I have just cut that and I have just pasted it in my desktop. Let's extract it. Now this is something very interesting. First thing is that all you need to create on this index file, and this index file will run onto your local system, and then you need to choose the messages.json or whatever JSON file. Generally it's a messages.json by default of the downloaded exported file that has been extracted before. So all you need to do is just choose that file. On my case, it was already saved on desktop, so I'll pick the desktop location. I'll select the messages.json and I'll click on the open link. So once that link is selected, I'll hit the load button here. So as soon as I hit the load button, I'll start I can start viewing my connections, Skype connections with their respective messages presented here. So for example, I click on this particular message of John, so I can see the conversations here on my local system, and you can see these are the icons or any kind of media files or media related links, first shared links or something like that. It will show up like this, and the messages will show up like this. If you see someone see. So these are the conversations and the contact details and all those things will show up like that. And then we can see, like, we can select any other one, and you can see all the conversations that has been presented here, and it's very easy to view it like this fashion. So you can have the Skype conversations viewable within your local system, but the JSON is getting parsed, so there is no chance unless you just modify the JSON code and customize it in order to just view it in the direct web server. So guys, this is it. So all you can have is the conversations, which are very important, and sometimes they provide file links as well. So the links existence depends upon their servers. So as long as their servers are just holding it up, it will just show up. We have tried different links. Unless it's not showing up, it will show up as broken. So besides that, and I haven't found as of now any media files to be just displayed during particular export once it has been made. So only the conversations are the ones that shows up clearly, unless you manipulate it further with the codes or just update it. Thank you guys, that was it, and hope you enjoy the video. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment box. I'll try my best to